And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Dreamliner Pilot here with a long form video. We're going to be doing some ATC24. So inside, I'm in a King Air 260 at forgot the airport name.
Bruh.
The local airport in Grandavik because of the new update. And we're going to be departing here and be heading to Tokyo Haneda Airport. Flight time is going to be about 20 to 30 minutes. So before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy the video. G'day Pingeyri Tower, November 249 Oscar Sierra with you at the main apron request IF4 to Tokyo as well.
November 2490 Sierra. Pingeyri Tower. Good afternoon. You're clear to Tokyo by radar vectors. Flying 4,000 feet on departure and squawk 0277.
Clear to Tokyo via radar vectors, initial climb 4,000, walk 0277, November 249ers Oscar Sierra.
November 249 Oscar Sierra, read back correct. Advise ready for startup.
A firm 249ers Oscar Sierra. And Pingeyri Tower, November 249er Oscar Sierra, ready for startup taxi.
November Oscar Sierra, Pingeyri Tower, startup approved, and taxi to backtrack number 31.
Startup is approved and taxi via backtracking 31, November 249er Oscar Sierra. Alright, we're ready to go. Go ahead and start up our engines here. One, good, and left 15. Taxi lights on, and we're good to go.
Tower Striker 8246 taxi runway 3.
Striker 8256, taxi 2 and hold short, runway 31 via the apron.
Oh, there's Striker behind us.
Hold short runway 31 via the apron. Striker 8246.
Landing lights on, probe lights on, flat set, takeoff procedure is complete. Ready for departure.
November Oscar Sierra, the Pingeyri QNH 1015, clear for takeoff, runway 31, winds calm.
Clear for takeoff runway 31, QNH 1015, November 249er Oscar Sierra. Alright, let's get moving. Lean on.
Striker 8256, taxi backtrack, runway 31.
And airborne.
Runway 31.
Gears going up. Pingeyri Tower, November 249er Oscar Sierra, request vectors.
November Oscar Sierra, make a right turn heading 030.
Right turn 030, 249er Oscar Sierra. Ooh, a bit wacky.
And Striker 8256, takeoff runway 31, winds calm.
Clear for takeoff runway 31. Striker 8256.
Remember Oscar Sierra, grid bit control is offline. You can go ahead and launch Unicom 122.8.
Contact Unicom 122.8, degree C, November 249er Oscar Sierra. Alright,
Striker 8256, make a left turn heading 110.
go ahead and contact.
Heading 110.
Oh, we got a smooth flight so far. Go ahead and start turn. And also shout out to the Pingeyri Tower. And I've done it without him. Gonna go ahead and keep climbing to 4,000. And we'll go ahead and cruise there. Wow. There it is. Our destination. Go ahead and contact Tokyo. Just check in. Tokyo Center, good evening. November 249er Oscar Sierra with you at 4,000 inbound for runway 31.
November 249 Sierra. The Eastern States arrival is runway 20. Flight heading 040. Vectors ILS runway 20.
Left 040 and expect ILS runway 20249er Oscar Sierra. I should have looked at the ATIS information before I got to expect
It's already
any runway.
runway 31.
Was that for 249er Oscar Sierra?
Yeah, November 24 Sierra descent 3,000 feet.
10-3000, 249er Oscar Sierra. Alright, get ready for our descent.
Wait, November 24 Sierra, what aircraft are you flying?
249er Oscar Sierra, we are a King Air 260. And November 249er Oscar Sierra, request vectors to the runway.
November 24 Sierra, you are on vectors for the runway.
What?
249er Oscar Sierra, we're unable to see the runway due to low visibility.
Yeah, cause like you're approaching from the opposite side, like the runway heading is.
Okay, so this is what Standard was supposed to say. November 249er Oscar Sierra, expect left traffic pattern on runway 31 and contact tower on downwind. Instead,
Seeing is like the departure runway. It's like we have 2 runways, like the other one
A
is for
firm.
arrivals.
Yeah, I see runway 13, but 2. But I guess, judging from his voice, he sounded like he was new, so I'm not gonna go ahead and blame him. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. 20 south of the airport, correct?
We know like 20 is like it's complicated.
Alright.
2351 descending 1000.
Oh wait, did the tower give you the go around, or like did you go around?
No, he gave me a go around.
Next station heavy monitor tower 120.905.
120.905,
Eva 006 heavy at Juliet, give way to the Americans exiting from your right, then continue via Bravo Charlie 10.
Juliet, give way to the American from my right.
November 24 Sierra right heading 130 cleared ILS runway 20.
Right 130 and cleared ILS runway 20 for 9 Oscar Sierra. Yep, I knew it. He was going to get turned.
Oh wait, that's Oscar. I thought that was a 0. Wait. Yeah, that literally looks like a 0.
Yeah, our in-game call sign still has a 0 at the end of it, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, go ahead and put our flaps at 1. Okay, that's good. That is 1-3, right? The runway is in sight, and we're already on the path.
Do you have visual of the runway?
Hey, firm, we have the visual on the runway 249 Oscar Sierra.
other people, Dino Oscar Sierra, contact the town now for your assessment.
Didn't get the frequency again, 249 0.
Over 249 Sierra, to the early visiting, contact.
Today Tower on November 249 Oscar Sierra on final runway 20. Oh no, it's my turn.
Oscar Sierra, Tokyo Tower, hello, winds 1055 knots, runway 20, clear to land.
Put the land runway 20, 249 Oscar Sierra. Alright, there's a land. Go ahead and put our gears down. Uh-oh. Gears? Oh, okay, gears down. Uh-oh. Nope. Alright, there we go. Alright. Landing checklist flap full. And you're on happy. Alright,
Also, ground left.
You wanna fly?
No, ground. He said you can leave for like 5 minutes.
hello.
Hello?
We are down.
Number 249 Oscar Sierra, welcome to Tokyo, make a right to enable.
Maintaining right on Delta 3, 249 Oscar Sierra. And I'd say that was a
249
bit
Oscar
late.
Sierra, contact stay with me, way parking.
249 Oscar Sierra. Our parking is stand 4, I believe. Charlie Echo Alpha to stand 4, 249 Oscar Sierra. I believe. Echo? Oh my gosh, so laggy. Alright, but we made it. We're down. Yeah, there's a heli right here. Not certified. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Appreciate you for making it this far into my video, or my first long-form video in ATC24. I will be posting some more videos in the future of me flying ATC24 with the big planes and small planes, etc. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.
No, because he went on AFK before he could.
Guys, when ready to copy?
I'm ready.
Okay, 55, clear to Perth by radar vector,